Hey, y'all want to see something funny? Look at Duke. Now watch this.
Are you ready?
Yeah. Okay, go on. Follow the red light, Duke. Follow the red light.
Come on, you. But George's. Get it. Come on. Get it. Come on. Get it. Get Duke. Get Duke. Come on. Watch his tail.
Why is he wiggling his toe like that? He's not gonna bite me, is he?
I don't know.
He's going around in circles.
Come on, Wookie. Get it, Wookie.
The dogs are chasing their little red light. Okay. That's Duke. And that's Wookie. Wookie, look up at the camera. The two people chasing the red light. That was so hilarious.
Look at his butt. His tail is so cute. Hey, Duke.
He's just staring. Look at Wookie. Wookie trying to grab the... That was so funny. Golly, Duke. She's like chasing it everywhere. Okay, goodbye, people of anywhere. These are the funny looking dogs. Duke and Wookie. Yay!
And Taylor.
And Rachel.
Hey! Wait, I'm gonna shut it in the camera and see if it works. Wait, I have to get it. What does it look like?
It looks weird. See, watch us hold it.
Alright. That looks really cool.
I know, right?
Oh. But that says that'll blind people.
Keep video, it's still going.
Whoa. Gotcha, you just got here and my head still hurts from laughing. Already.
Follow the red light.
Woo! Get Duke. Get it. I put it on Shadow's butt last night. Taylor, I put it on Shadow's butt last night and Shadow hissed at her when Duke tried to get it. Shadow follows it too.
Look at his butt.
Get it, Wookie, get it. This is gonna be a boring video, but it's gonna be awesome right now. That must be why they like that. Or maybe, I don't know. I'm not a dog expert.
I know they're colorblind, but I think they can see like 3 colors, like blue, red, and something else.
Then why are they colorblind if they can see colors?
Well,
Scientists are stupid. He ran into the door. Oh. Ooh, Taylor, blow your air horn. They freak out when you do it.
Okay, come on. Hey, people of Facebook.
Well, that's because they have the red light too. Okay, Taylor, I think we've had enough.
Okay, bye-bye, people.
That's the dragon.